Atlanta Center, hello, Delta 309 with you, flight level 330.
Delta 309, Atlanta Center, hello.
Atlanta Center, Endeavor 3284, 36,800 for 38,000, 20 miles southeast of Spartanburg, VOR.
Endeavor 3284, give me a second, let me figure out who you should be with.
Atlanta Center, Delta 309, heavy flight at top descent, 20 miles, just over deck.
Delta 309, the roger, descent of pilot's discretion to maintain flight level 240.
Down to 240, pilot's discretion, Delta 309.
Delta 309, now resume normal speed.
Resume normal speed, we did 0.82 the whole way, so 209.
Sounds good.
And Atlanta Center Pro 902 is level 340 direct, India Golf Bravo.
Atlanta Center, United 1671, flight level 330, Mach 0.79.
United 1671, Atlanta Center, roger. And Endeavor 3284, try Atlanta Center on 132.907.
Endeavor 3284, that would be the 5th frequency change, but I'll try it anyways. Thank you, good night.
And Atlanta Center, this is Pro 902.
Yep, Pro 902, yep, sorry, I just got you now. And Pro 902, just contact Memphis Center at this point, 132.55, you're almost out of my airspace.
Copy that, 132.55 for Pro 902, yep.
Southwest 2922, descent of pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 240, resume normal speed.
Alright, down 240, normal speed, Southwest 2922.
Southwest 1870, contact Atlanta Center 132.05.
132.05, Southwest 1870. Center, good day, Southwest 1870, crossing 260, descending 240.
Southwest 1870, Atlanta Center, hello, cross shipper at and maintain 13000, Atlanta altimeter 3011.
Cross shipper, maintain 13000, 3011, Southwest 1870.
Delta 1870, contact Atlanta approach 127.9er shift.
127.92, Southwest 1870, shift. Cut approach, good day, Southwest 1870, crossing 16,000, sending 13,000, information Alpha.
Good afternoon, land departure, Delta 1424 with you through 4,200.
Land departure 133.47 now. Southwest 1870, descend and maintain 12,000.
17, 1, 2,000, something.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we make our final descent to Atlanta, please slow laptop computers and similarly sized electronic devices. Small portable, please raise your seat back and tray tables with pickup cups and use for trash. Thank you.
Then approach Aloha, Delta 309 Heavy with you, descending to your flight level 160 for 140 Gallup.
That's Delta 309 calling.
Yes, sir.
Delta 309 Atlanta approach Cello information Alpha, altimeter 3011, expect the visual approach runway 26 right.
Alright, 3011, and we're expecting the visual to Detroit Delta 309. As a heads up, TP is kind of on life support, so I gotta get a little bit closer to another aircraft. Visual 309. We only had down to 140. Do you want us to send VX? We just follow on that.
Delta 309, clear direct to rain, descend to maintain 12,000.
Direct to rain 12000, Delta 309, thank you.
Land approach Southwest 2922, descending through 14.3 for 13,000 with Alpha.
Southwest 2922, Atlanta approach, Shell information Alpha, altimeter 3011, expect the visual approach runway 26 right.
Alright, plan for the visual 26 right, and if possible, like put the RNAV Zulu on request.
Let me check, unable for now. Southwest 1870, reduce speed to 210.
Reduce speed 210, Southwest 1870.
Southwest 2922, descend and maintain 12,000.
Alright, down to 12,000, Southwest 2922.
Southwest 1870, descend and maintain 7,000.
Maintain 7,000, Southwest 1870.
Southwest 1870, thanks, contact Atlanta approach 127.25, have a good night.
127.25, Southwest 1870.
Delta 309, contact Atlanta approach 127 point, or correction, contact Atlanta approach 128.0 today.
I'm on 128.0, good luck, guys.
Current approach today, Southwest 1870, 11,500, descending 7,000.
Southwest 1870, Atlanta approach 265, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000 to 6 right, Southwest 1870.
Delta 309 Heavy, line approach, runway 26 right, descend and maintain 4,000.
26 right, we'll go down to 4,000, Delta 309 Heavy.
Southwest 1870, turn right heading 180, reduce speed to 180.
Right 180, reduce 180, Southwest 1870.
Southwest 1870, turn right heading 250, advise the airport.
Right 250 and we have the airport, Southwest 1870.
Southwest 1870, clear visual approach, runway 26 right.
Clear visual to 6 Southwest 1870.
Southwest 1870, maintain 180 knots to AJ, contact tower to AJ 119.1.
Maintain 180 and tower 119.1, Southwest 1870.
Land approach Southwest 2922, descending through 9.4 for 7,000.
Southwest 2922, land approach, runway 26 right, descend and maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, Southwest 2922.
Delta 309 Heavy, turn right heading 180, reduce speed to 180.
Tuna Tower, good day, Southwest 1870, visual to 6 right.
Southwest 1870, Atlanta Tower, 13009er, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, clear to land, Southwest 1870. Okay, just as switch continues, speedback on, landing gear down, flap, turn to green light, and check it is completed.
Approaching 26 right.
100. 50. 30. 10.
Reverse.
For citation, 1400 Bravo Alpha, holding short, 26 left.
Cross runway 26 right at the approach end, continue taxi via Bravo.
Idle.
Cross 26 right, taxi by Bravo, 43 Bravo.
Atlanta Tower, Aloha, Delta 09 Heavy, 5 Alpha, ILS 26 right.
So 309 Heavy, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, clear to land, Delta 09 Heavy.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Atlanta. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, seat back and tray table in their full upright and locked position, and all carry-on items completely under the seat in front of you. When the captain turns off the...
Southwest 1870, welcome to Atlanta. Taxi via the Victor Loop, contact ground point 9 on the Victor Loop.
Items may have
Taxi
shifted
via
to the
Victor,
flight.
ground point 9, Southwest
You may now
1870.
use the cellular function of...
Number 3 Bravo Alpha, monitor tower 125.32, see ya.
125.32.
Please be advised the aircraft doors will be open during ground servicing. For your safety, please ensure that you and any children you are supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. If you are connected here to another Southwest flight, please check the monitors in the terminal for your flight and gate number. We certainly have enjoyed sharing part of our day with you. We know you have a choice when you fly, and we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines.
To the ground, good day, Southwest 1870 on Victor.
Southwest 1870, Atlanta ground, join Echo to the ramp.
Echo to the ramp, Southwest 1870.
Atlanta ground, good afternoon. Endeavour 5143 Southside, ramp 4 with Oscar, request taxi to active.
Endeavour 5143, Atlanta ground, contact Atlanta ground 121.75.
1175, 5143, thanks very much.
Atlantic ground, FedEx 32 requesting push start.
FedEx 32 heavy, pushes at your own discretion. Call on the south side of the ramp for taxi.
We'll call on the south side of the ramp for taxi, FedEx 32.
FedEx 32 heavy, contact ground on 121.75 for taxi.
121.75, see you, FedEx 32. Delta 309 Heavy, Atlanta ground. Join Echo to the ramp.
Join Echo to the ramp. Thanks, Delta 309. Good luck tonight.
We're gonna need it.
And Atlanta ground. We are at the concourse to the domestic terminal south. Do you want us to hop on the other taxi wing? I'm not sure direction-wise if it matters.
Was that for Delta 309 Heavy?
Yeah, 309 Heavy. Forgot to call it. If you want to hop on Foxtrot, I didn't know if the direction mattered.
Where are you parking?
We're looking for Tango 2 for the gate.
Yeah, go ahead and join Foxtrot. I got someone on the Victor loop that's going to be coming on Echo.
Alright, we'll join Foxtrot. Thanks, Delta 309 Heavy.
Not a problem.
No, what is that looking at?
Atlanta ground, GPS 1700 Heavy on Alpha, cargo ramp north.
UPS 1700 Heavy, Atlanta ground. Taxi to the ramp via Alpha.
Alpha to parking, UPS 1700 Heavy, thank you.
Ground Southwest 2922, just short, or just off the Victor Loop, going to Charlie 22.
Southwest 2922, Atlanta ground. Join Echo to the ramp.
Echo to the ramp, Southwest 2922.
Allora.
The boarding requested. Passengers deboarding starting.